Hello, Rocky. Clean hair.
Just afraid of something more. I can see the starlight in her eyes. I've known her for so long, but never quite like this. Just like a drifter song, it changed with just one kiss. Could it be? Is it real? Can I trust how I feel? I can see the starlight in her eyes. I was sure that I could make it on
Hello, Rocky. Don't clean hair.
Now only she would come along, break this heart of stone. Could it be? Am I sure? Just a friend or something more? I can see the starlight in her eyes.
Mickey? Late Mickey.